Waze waboshwa uHlathi. Finally, Bavumile is back with his parents. The way they pleaded with Hlathi to give back the baby. Thanks to Ntsiki for opening the door when the police came. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Uhlathi stressana yazi. The way he's got everyone stressed, trying to look for him, checking his phone, checking his car. Zolega finally gets a call that Hlathi's car is at in Pimville. They rush over to Pimville, only to find that imoto was just dumped nje. Uhlathi akekho apho. Imoto was just dumped. Akuna Hlathi, akuna Bavumile in the car. Like tempers are high. Uyanga is worried about his dad, saying well, they must pray for him so that he doesn't get arrested. Ulikamva is fed up, saying what Tata is did is wrong. He needs to get arrested. Uthatha uthatha inkosi yakhe. Uyanga is like, let's pray for him. Ulikamva hayi masingamoshi ixesha likaThixo. Let's not waste God's time. Into wrong nje. Funny enough, not even Thumeka is willing to pray with her. Even Thandeka no Thulani, they just sit there. Everyone is just defeated with the actions kaHlathi. Uyanga ended up praying alone, praying for safety uTatake no Bavumile. And then uDabs ke uNtsiki continues to beg Hlathi to what he did is a mess. Like, what was he thinking? Ethi Mthetho, what were you thinking? Uthatha umntana kanje. What were you thinking? Did not even bother to stop at the shops to get nappies and milk. Like, what were you thinking? Pela, this is kidnapping. Do you understand the kind of mess you've gotten yourself into? Nakhona, how did you get inside my house? Uhlathi says, don't you remember that you gave me a key? I don't want to be part of this. Lazarus and Zolega looking for you. Nama police that are on to you. Unsike then bathes the baby because umntana umanzi inte. Obviously, the baby is also hungry because Bavumile has been crying since. Unsike tries to tell him to return umntana. Uhlathi is like, nope, owam lo mntana lo. Uzolega is depressed. Everyone is just stressed. Worried ukuthi umntana utshile yini. Umntana did he even get an nappy change? I'm sure he's crying for his parents. Aqasuka uLukhanyo ubhuti kaZoleka ethi yazini what uHlathi did now, he crossed the line. Ndiyafunga ndiyagomela kuba whenever we meet it will be war. There'll never be peace between us. Remember, Lukhanyo does not like Hlathi. So what he just did now, this just tops the cake. It's just a cherry on top. There's no way they're coming back from this. Unsike keeps telling Hlathi, you know I always make excuses for you. You know I always stand with you. I always side with you. But leyenze manje mthetho, and I'm like tu. Uhlathi feels they should be blaming Zoleka. Uyumthakathi o decided no Lazarus ukuthi they're gonna make him only see the kid Bavumile once in 3 months, and he must be monitored like some Valta while yena is engutata umntana. Athi uDabs yazini, I'm not on your side. Hlathi was insisting you need to be on my side. Athi yazini, I'm always on your side, but kule I'm not on your side. Ububhanqa I'm ngiseside nomthetho ne-common sense. Hlathi common sense yakhe is not working at all. And I'm not going to harbor a kidnapper man. Awuzohlala apha. Angizohlala ne-kidnapper mina. We must take Bavumile back before it's too late. Hlathi athi nix. I'm not taking Bavumile back mina. And ndimhambisi nje uBavumile qha. Bavumile umntanami. I'm just protecting my son. Protect umntanakhe from what? Because Bavumile has a loving home and loving parents. You should have just negotiated, man. And then Zolega finds Qhawe in a state of showing that she's not well. Remember, Qhawe keeps on having those chest pains. Zolega insists that he needs to get it checked up. And then Qhawe tells her, Mama, I know uthukile, but utata will never hate Bavumile. And then they get interrupted because Zolega is just like... They get interrupted. Lukhanyo has thought of a theory or of an idea of where Uhlathi might be. Because imoto isePimville and uNtsiki once said that time when Uhlathi Thumeka were getting married, ukuthi yena uhlala ePimville. So meaning Uhlathi went to Ntsiki's place. Zolega calls Thumeka, do you know the address? Thumeka uthi hayi ngizokuthumela address. And then they run, they all go there, kwaNtsiki. So they get uNtsiki was busy trying to plead with uMthetho to give back umntana. uMthetho akangeni. Busy saying athi uNtsiki is insisting ukuthi umntana udinga ibele likanina. Uhlathi is like, I don't even think Zoleka breastfeeds my son. Hey, umntana right or ngithembona. He's busy making him a bottle. I don't even know if umntana uphuza a bottle or pumped milk. I'm not even sure. But nangu uhlathi esemtshisa ibhotile. uNtsiki tries to negotiate with him, saying that I understand your pain, but you should have just confronted them right there and there and had that argument or conversation, whatever, instead of kidnapping umntana. Besakhuluma athi uhlathi nahle he just wanted attention kaZoleka. Now he's got it. Besakhuluma na amapholisa. So he did all this for attention. Now besakhuluma amapholisa, they start knocking. uThulani ethi mfowethu Imina la, please open. We're all here. The family is here. Zoleka no Lazarus are also here. Let umntana, man. Bring the baby. Uhlathi now is blaming uNtsiki, saying that you are the one who called the police on me. How could you do this to me? Ndenza kanjani kanje. Don't open the door. uNtsiki athi, hi, mina I don't want to be a co-accused la. UNtsiki opens the door and walks out. She walks out the door. Aphume ke uNtsiki, amaphoyisa athi, okay, phuma slowly. Now uMthetho is out, exposed. Khere ngoba vumile. uZoleka noLazarus, they're standing there looking at him. He's busy shouting, umntanami lo, why ningabophi bona? This is my child. Why are you not arresting them? uZoleka noLazarus, because they're the one who wants to they're the ones who want to take away my baby. Umntanami lo, this is my baby. And then bamnceke, please how's this umntana? Then Zoleka tries speaking to him, trying to plead, negotiating with him to please bring my son Hlathi. She even said, please umntanethu lo Hlathi, this is our son, please bring him. Worried ukuthi angamlimazi or anything. uHlathi esemnceke ebhiza emthakazela, esembiza ngojambas and all that. uHlathi wagcina wathamba ke and handed over the baby to uZoleka. The minute he handed over the baby, maphoyisa amaphezu kwakhe, turned him over and arrested him, saying, hey, you are under arrest, manje mfo. Zoleka, Lazarus jumped in to secure Zoleka and Bavumile, and leading them to the car safely. Finally, umntana is safe in his parents' arms, and they're going to take him home. Bazomgada kakuhle. Nangu uHlathi seboshiwe. Imagine now he's handcuffed. They're escorting him out of the house, out of the yard kaNtsiki. His family is there. Olikamva, Qhawe, Thumeka, Olukhanya. They're just standing there like speechless. uHlathi finally is arrested for ubhanqa bakhe. I don't even know what he was thinking, saying he did all this for attention. Attention that he wanted has gotten him here. I hope they make things very hard for him, kuba he does not even get time with the child anymore. Or le bhanqa bakhe becase vele nje isulwe, because now he's charged with kidnapping, and I'm pretty sure uLazarus is going to push this. But I suspect uZoleka will want to drop the charges because eqingela uQhawe kuba uzoba phatheka kakubi. Thumeka the whole time was just defeated, did not even say a word. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.